we'll be back with what Rachel and I have come to call the burying the pipe video. All right, so we're filling in some electrical. I'm gonna spin us around here so we can see. Come on over here, Rachel.
Okay.
See the T-post over there in the background, or the T-cross of the pipe. So this is our main electrical line. So we've got the pipe in the ground.
All the way down.
All the way down there. At the very end, we've got the telephone pole. It's gonna swing power over, then we're gonna go underground to keep the aesthetic of peaceful nature as much as possible with our children and our loud life.
So we're gonna go 12 inches and then put the tape and then cover it all in. Yeah?
For legal purposes, we'll explain this. We're 4 feet down. Trust us. It's there. We measured it, had the
man came out.
The utility come on and inspect it.
We're
the trench is
legit.
good to go, despite how crooked it is.
We're new at trenching.
Oh, you are. I'm not. This is an old hat for me. All right, 48 inches down, 4 feet down. It's really deep. We'll bury the pipe 12 inches. Then we'll come back with warning tape.
Here we go.
Here we go. Let's get to work. All right, so there's the trench. It's got our 12 inches. I just went and got the tape. I'll show you what that looks like. Here's the warning tape. We've got that ready to go. So we'll spin it around. We'll spin it around here. Drag down the trench. All the way down there. All the way down. 400 feet. 400 feet. Can you believe that? I can't. All right.
Do you hear
Recording.
that coyote or whatever that is?
We're burying the pipe. Burying the pipe. Burying
Oh boy.
the pipe.
Here we go.
I can't hear you over the tractor.
Oh boy.
I can't hear you, kids. Come on.
Do this side.
Can't see.
What is going on? What am I supposed to hand dig this one? Might fall. Whoa!
What? Hey, what are you doing? You're getting too far away from the camera. You have to bring the camera with you.
Oh! Okay. I thought it was following you.
No, you gotta bring the camera. You're gonna leave.
I'm coming back for you. Don't you worry. Hello. New at this. What can I say? There's Duggar. Can you see that? Chugging along here. Scraping the dirt and singing songs. Singing songs about dirt. Singing songs about dirt.
I am mad! I'm a bad man!
Oh my gosh.
It isn't working at all.
You go lower.
It's also low light. Try this. Oh! So much dirt. Oh, we're gonna dig some ditches. We're digging speed bumps.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh, look at these big speed bumps. Whoa! Whoa! This is getting worse. Who chose to do it this way?
This was not a good idea.
Good night. Look at that line. I think my front wheel is doing most of the work. I'm also watching, we're redlining the microphone.
We're redlining it.
Get further away from the tractor. Your microphone is too close to the tractor.
I'm too far. I'm too close. Except the trench is not getting filled.
Hey, tell them about your caffeine addiction and what we're doing to solve it. What we did today with the caffeine.
He's had caffeine today. Holy moly. I had to stop drinking coffee. I was having like 3 cups a day and then an afternoon caffeine. So I had to stop drinking it for a while. And for a while, I mean like 3 days, but
You know, this isn't working at all.
it's better than nothing. Still a really big hole. Whoops. Here come the children. Oh boy. Come along this side.
You're bad at sign language. I don't know what you're saying.
Do this side.
Okay, I'll do this side from here.
Yeah,
Why you have to yell at me?
I'm not yelling at you.
People who own tractors are going to say, don't use your front scoop like that. You're going to break it. Suck it. This is Doug's tractor, not yours.
What are you doing now? Oh my gosh. I don't know if that's working. I don't know if that's working or not. What, Abby? Oh, okay.
Get away! Safety first! I'm burying the pipe!
Why?
Good! Trying to bury the pipe, bury the pipe, bury.
Don't fall in the hole, please.
Bury the pipe.
Bury the pipe.
Bury the pipe.
You have to yell to be heard over the tractor.
No, stop it. Shut up.
Whoa! There she is. There's the dog. She's coming back from the cow. I think you're right. She rolls in cow poop.
Love it.
Oh yeah, look at you. Look at that. You can see the light. Even on the camera, you can see it. Gross. Gross. All right.